So hey guys, so some hours ago I came back from tuition and after that I was directly sleep because I was very sleepy and that's why. And guys, yesterday also I waste my time and I'm very disappointed from myself because I had so much task and where I want to complete it. Even I did not upload my video and also I did not study it properly, so that thing I want to complete in today. But today also I was very busy, so I just complete my sleep and now I am going to outside for some work. And okay, so first of all I'm going to have freshen up first, and then I will go for the meal. So let's go. So guys, I just had meal, so now I'm going outside. So some of my work, and when I came back from there, I'll directly sleep because I want to wake up for late night. So I don't want to make excuse because I can't manage my schedule except awake late night. So okay, so from today I will not make excuses and anything because I want to do my best. Even my tuition and so many tasks are there, all these things doing, and after that I want to do study. So I don't know that what I'm speaking properly to do. Okay, so whatever it is. So guys, so first of all I'm going outside. When I came back from there, I'll complete my task as well as my study. So so guys, I just came back from outside and I'm very tired and I have headache. So now I'm taking some rest, and after that again I want to go for the outside. So okay, so now first of all I'm going to take a rest and then I'll go for other. And when I came back from there, I want to complete so many tasks like meditation, and I did not complete my blog. Also guys, when I go for outside at that time I was going. I went for the wonder. So at that time, I did not make blog because I was very shy at that time. And okay, so whatever it is. So guys, first of all, I'm going to take some rest, and then I'll go outside again. When I came back from there, I'll complete my regular task, and then if I will have time, then I will complete my study. Otherwise, I will sleep. So okay, so let's. So guys, some time ago I came back from there, and after that I took a rest, and it's 10, and I did not complete anything. Even I did not make any vlog properly. So first of all, my task is I have to complete this vlog in just 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll speak continuously. So also guys, today whole day uh, I was not in at home, so I was at outside. So that's why I did not complete anything. Even I did not complete meditation. So also guys, today from yesterday I was diverted from study, and this thing I don't want from myself. But okay, so whatever it is. So guys, today at least a half hour I want to do study because it will be break my consistency from study. So okay, and also I again break my consistency from vocabulary. Only 2 to 3 days I did vocabulary, and after that just one day miss. Then again another day we miss, and this is the third or fourth day where I did not complete my vocabulary. So this thing I don't want in my life, and I don't want to divert from my goals. So okay, so now I am going to do meditation, and after that I'll complete vocabulary, and then if I want to have meal, then I will. Otherwise, I'll complete my study and then I'll sleep. So also, guys, from tomorrow I'll go to the college because since 1 month I did not go to the college there. So okay, so from tomorrow I'll be go there, and also from tomorrow my schedule will be so busy. So in this busy schedule, I want to take care from myself. And also guys, I want to do everything in at the right time, at right work. So okay, so now I'm going to do meditation, and after that I'll finish my task, and then I'll finish my studies. So guys, I have completed my meditation. So without wasting time, I will not I will not wait for the vocabulary. So just two words I want to write and just learn. Okay, so otherwise, if I will not learn, if I will not write, then I will revise to my vocabulary. But I will do. So okay, and after that, I am not hungry, so I will not have meal. Okay, so now after that, I'll go for outside for walking. I had some of food from outside. So okay, so let's go and complete my task, and after that we'll go for the walk, and when I come back from there I will do studies. So guys, before doing all the tasks, I have one more task that I want to upload the video. Every day I did not upload, I don't upload the videos properly. So today, first of all, I will complete this task. Uh, okay, so I'll upload this video. Just I have told already my today's routines. Okay, guys, so that's it for today's vlog. We'll meet another one. Bye bye.